Come, my boy.
He's doing the booty shake. Oh, there was something. Dun, 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 dun.
You do realize we added the music after you all kind of did that.
Then he's down, and Shane has sat on him, but he's not quite down. Someone needs to claim the hyena territory. Oh, that's, I don't know, is that down? That's down. That is down. Shane comes out the victor. What do you have to say?
I win.
And that's a wrap!